All right, so hello everybody. If you remember, within our last lesson, we talked about the $1 bill and the $5 bill. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the $10 bill and the $20 bill. Before we begin, I want to go ahead and go over the important vocabulary words as a review. First off, we have the word bill. This means a piece of paper money. The second word we have is cost. This means the amount of money needed to pay for an item. Okay, so first off, when we're looking at the $10 bill, if you look to the left, the front side of the dollar bill, you will see a man named Alexander Hamilton. If you look to the right, you will see the back side of the $10 bill. And this building right here is called the U.S. Treasury Building. I'm not saying to remember that this is Alexander Hamilton and the U.S. Treasury Building. Just remember what these images look like so you know what the $10 bill looks like. Again, there are three different ways to write $10. You have the first way, which is $1, which is $10. Then you have in word form $10. Then you have your last way that you can write it out, which is $10.00. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right, so here are some items that might cost you around $10. First off, you could probably find a nice fun coloring box with some markers, some coloring pencils, some crayons and paint, and this could cost you around $10. And over here, no, I'm not saying you could buy a movie theater for $10, but I'm saying you could buy tickets to go see a movie with some friends for $10. And here are a couple examples of what it might look like in the community. First off, we have a menu from a restaurant. So if you look at this menu, each food item costs $10. It's pretty awesome that they all cost $10. It's a pretty good deal. If you look over here, here is a Chick-fil-A gift card, which costs $10. And if you look at both pictures, you will see that they have it written out as $10. Same thing over here, $10. Again, this means $10. All right, so now we have the $20 bill. If you look to the left side, you will see the front of the $20 bill with this dude named Andrew Jackson. And if you look to the right side, which is the back of the $20 bill, you should be familiar with this pretty famous building, which is in fact the White House. So the White House is on the back of the $20 bill. Again, I'm not saying to remember that this is Andrew Jackson and this is the White House. Just be able to know that these are the pictures that will help you to say, yeah, I know what the $20 bill looks like. So again, there are three ways to write $20. First off, you have $20. The second way is in word form, which is $20. And the last way is $2 0.00, and they all mean $20. All right, so here are a couple examples of items that might cost $20. Right here, we have a t-shirt. So oftentimes, you can find shirts that cost around $20. Over here, we have some headphones. No, I'm not saying you can buy a pair of AirPods or a pair of Beats for $20. But if you're going to Walgreens or Target or any store like that, you can oftentimes find headphones that cost about $20. So here's what it might look like when you're in the community or shopping online. First of all, I went on Amazon and I found a pretty cool basketball hoop trash can that cost $20. Although it does say $19.99. Oftentimes, when things cost $20, it will say $19.99 because with tax, that is going to cost $20. And to review what the word tax means, it is the money that people pay for the government. So that will make your price of $19.99 go up to $20. Again, same thing over here. It looks like we have a sweater from Goodwill that costs $19.99, and this is a price tag. And since it's $19.99, with this tax that we just talked about, this price is going to go up to $20. So, what have we learned about this far? We've learned about the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $20 bill, and the $10 bill. We learned about all the different ways that you can write $1, $5, $20, and $10. We learned about what types of items are going to cost these amounts of money. We also learned what it's going to look like if we're either shopping online or out in the community. So I really hope that you guys are able to now identify what each of these bills looks like.